This time I'm headed to Florida to visit my family. I know it probably seems like I just returned from Las Vegas and I haven't even finished putting up the vlogs. But this trip has been planned for a while and it will be nice to see and spend time with family. And I'm going to take you along for as much of it as possible. So we'll see how that works out. But I'm on my way and wanted to let you know. And we'll talk to you later. So hopefully you can hear me okay. But I didn't get a chance to tell you. Yesterday was a busy travel day, so I didn't vlog much. But my mom's friend is actually down visiting now as well. So I'm staying with my brother for these first few days. And so that's been good. But we're all here enjoying the beach this morning. Probably will check out some outlets this afternoon. I'll do my best to take you along, but as you know, with family and visiting, it can be challenging. That's what's happening right now, and now I'll give you a nice view of the beach. My camera gave me some trouble when I tried to take photographs recently, and may have changed the settings. The screen looks a little bit weird to me, so I'm hoping that this vlog is not going to come out, sorry, the wind is practically blowing my hat off, is not going to come out being the wrong size or wrong format or something, but I'll try to take a look at it when I get back to the house and can see a bit better. But yeah, hopefully it's not all out of whack. Everyone, can you guess where we might be? We are at Disney World. Pop Century Resort this time, which we've never stayed at, so that should be interesting. We haven't checked into our room yet, so we don't know what decade we are in. But we are going to Disney Springs and potentially the Boardwalk today, so we are just now waiting for our bus. So we should have lots of fun, exciting footage over the next few days for you. We had a successful shopping day so far. As you can see, we've got a couple of Disney bags. And if I have time later, I will do a little haul for you of what I can show you that's not surprises. But yeah, we're doing well with shopping, just taking our time, enjoying Disney Springs. So, and it's very nice and warm out today, so we're just kind of taking it easy. Shopping, enjoying my Joffrey's coffee, and while we're taking a break, we just happen to be at the stage where we can see a show in a few moments. And Mom, how's your day been so far?
Awesome.
Great.
It's been a mini day.
Yes. for the very first time.
Before your very eyes. You've got to see it to believe it, and even then you may not believe it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Come small, come tall, come one and all. It's happening here. 20 seconds. The David Letterman Show, the Jimmy Kimmel Show, the Jimmy Fallon Show. All shows that Coney Island Chris has not appeared on. He's here tonight for your entertainment, so hey, why not check it out? Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
Good.
Fantastic. Dedicate this performance to you.
Oh, that's good.
Feel left out. All right. You guys having fun? What's your name, young lady? Folks, if you guys stand over here, you'll be looking not directly into the sun. And I'm not even going to charge you extra for that. You guys should stay over there and let the sun burn your retinas. Very special. Hey, listen. Don't even think for 2 seconds I went to Epcot and bought this in Japanland. Well, I did. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 3 behind the back. Grab 1, grab 2. Ninja kick number 3. Back up into the pattern. Start juggling. That's your cue clap. Yell, scream. Cry if you find it necessary. A few motivational karate chants to get me where I need to be. What's that? What's that? Mama say, mama say. Sweet sour chicken. Video of answer. For you, Ralph Macchio. Wax off. Wax off. Here we go. Exciting, right? Still like needles. But I feel like I need the ink to be the bad boy in the sideshow. Because I am a bad boy. I am. Guess what, kid? I know gang signals. You guys want to see a gang signal? For you. I got one yes. It's yours. Here we go. It's good timing. It's like, Monk, if you want to see a gang signal. Here we go. Thank you very much. That's real. I Googled that. That's from a crew out of Wichita. There's some bad hombres in Wichita. I'm going to do the sideshow trick now. Just saying, if you're in Wichita and you see that, get out of there. All right, it's time for the old bed of nails with my special little twist. I'm just so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Point of Sisters 82, Chloe. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's the Catobot. The Cadillac, a bed of nails. Catobot. Catobot, Catobot, Catobot. Allow me to explain. The sideshow performer comes out, lays down on his bed of nails. Somebody hands him a cinder block or a watermelon that he puts upon his chest. That somebody then picks up a 16-pound sledgehammer and smashes that cinder block or watermelon to smithereens. How would you guys like to see something like that here tonight? sadly, you're not going to. I'm just kidding. You guys are going to see something better than that. You don't see it with your untrained eye. I took the online Sideshow Academy. I see these things, and yes, it's a real thing. 4 weeks, $99. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Hello, Disney. Woo-woo. It's a thing. I see it. And that guy's coming down with that sledgehammer. He pulls up just at the last second, so he doesn't hurt his partner. Wham, wham, wham. Somebody call me a whambulance. That's why I designed this thing. I pull that handle, it releases that sledge, which free falls into my body with a crushing blow. So I hurt myself for you. And you know what? It's Orlando, it's Thursday night, let's get crazy. Let's get cray-cray. I'm not going to use something big like a cinder block or a watermelon. I'll use something much smaller. Double my pain, double your pleasure. Now before I do this, I do need to prove that those 1,099 3.5-inch galvanized nails are in fact real. For this, I could use the help of one more volunteer. If you're willing to sacrifice your safety, your body, most importantly, your parents are not lawyers. Hold your hands high in the air. I saw your hand first, young lady. Do you want to help? Come on up here. Right over here, my friend. What's your name? Hi, Brianna. Pound it out at the dog pound. Woof, woof. An egg. And this egg is not going on my chest where my chest can help absorb the crushing blow from that sledgehammer. This egg is going in the middle of my face. Can I ask everybody to calm down? I can't work with it being this loud. It's time to have some fun. And I'm not talking fun, I'm talking fun. You know what I'm talking about. You can tell by looking at you. P-H-U-N, West Coast, that's how we do it. Yeah. All right. Big guy, don't try to stop me. I want you to stay there. I just feel like you're looking at me like, Chris, it's risky, it's dangerous, don't do it. Guess what? I know when I am. It's for the kids. This is for you, Skippy. Here we go. That sucker ain't going nowhere. Seriously, watch this. I can be walking along and be like, hey, you talking to me? It doesn't move. I know how to throw it down with a roll of tape. All right, before I do this death-defying stunt for your vacation entertainment, I would like to say one last thing to all those kids back in high school that used to call me Egghead. Look at me now, living the dream, playing the flying fish spot, Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Hello, bucket list. Hello, check. Does anybody know what time it is? Because if not, I'll tell you.
Hammer time. Go with the flow.
It's because I'm going to hit myself with a... Let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
Hey. Oh, you're sharp. Hey. It's like sitting on a cold toilet seat up north first thing in the morning, January, February. Just can't drop it all down at once. Gotta ease it on home. Gotta be like, look out below. Daddy's coming home. Do this. Nailed it. All right, folks, I can tell you two things are happening here. That hammer's coming down, this egg is breaking. Let's count down together nice and loud. Let me hear it. 199. Ain't nobody got time for none of that. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
So we are in our room. We are in the 80s wing, which I was quite excited about. And apparently this is a second bed they're going to come and unfold for us. So that should be interesting because this is the other bed here. This is the TV area. And I think this might be one of the new redone rooms, but since I've never stayed at Pop Century before, I cannot be certain. So this is where things are hung like this. And nice little sink area, bathroom. Yes, this does look like it could be newish. Tub. Ooh, fancy shower heads. So that is our nice Disney room for the next few days. And I'll show you what it looks like after they change it out for us. Here's our second pull-out bed. Apparently all you had to do was pull it down. But that's neat. It's like a hideaway bed, so if you need it, you have it. And if you don't, it gives you more room.